Hi guys, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. My name is Radhika and today I am going to share some tips for someone who is just starting out as a coder or developer. So let's get into the video. The first step is to learn how to Google. A key skill that all the developers possess is the ability to search thoroughly online. A lot of times, the question or the problem is so absurd or indirect that you don't even know how to put that into words. You can't even bring yourself to frame a question around it. But that is when your researching skills come into picture and you find your way out. Now, this is not something you can take a course on or you can learn from somebody. This comes with your experience and is a lot about your own instincts, but this is a skill that you have to develop and you cannot just ignore, because this is what is going to help you a lot in future. The second tip is to understand that it's okay to not understand things. Developers fail all the time because it's not always easy. You will make a lot of mistakes and you will not know everything out of your own head. You have to make use of these opportunities to research about things and learn new things. So whenever you are stuck, just be a little bit stubborn and try to find your way out. But whatever you do, just make sure that you're not copying and pasting, because it's far more better to fail and try again and again a particular task than to just successfully copy it, because then you're fooling yourself, you're not getting anywhere and you're becoming more stuck. The third tip would be to be patient and document your mistakes, because a lot of time it happens that you exhaust all your ways to unstuck yourself, and it becomes very easy in these times to feel stressed, anxious, or even burnt out. But you have to keep your calm and keep finding a solution. Also, it's very important to document your mistakes, your learnings, your journey, because the next time you come across such issues, you don't have to go through the entire process again, and you can just use your past experience to unblock yourself or to find a solution, and you cannot trust on your brain to remember all these little details. Tip number 4 is to not shy away from asking for help, because different people are good at different areas, and once you collaborate with them, you learn better, you learn different things, and also that helps in producing better results. So, developing is more of a social activity, and when you do it in groups, it is a lot more beneficial than when you do it alone. Also, try to help other people out, because when you share your knowledge, it helps you become better at it. Next, tip number 5 is to not compare yourself to others. Different people have different minds and they have different thought process, so they find different things easy. One thing that is very easy for you can be very difficult for some other person, and one thing that is very difficult for you, which you cannot get your head around, can be very easy for someone else. So, do not get demotivated by someone else's progress. Do not give up. Instead, take inspiration for that to learn new things and be better. Tip number 6 would be to not spend all your time on computer. Coding doesn't necessarily mean that you have to be behind the computer all the time. Read podcasts, articles, read books, listen to different people's stories, or download apps in your mobiles that help you learn new things. There are thousands of apps. Don't restrict yourself to just coding. Try out new things as well. The next tip is to better your workflow. Once you know something, work on your efficiency. Don't just approach your work in same way. Learn some shortcuts, or even better, learn about new tools or frameworks. This will help you save a lot of time and make room in your brain to learn new stuff. The next tip is to be inquisitive. Now, I know this is not something you can be in just one day, but try to be more curious about things. Don't stay at the surface. Push yourself to go deeper and further. Don't learn just enough to get by or just get things done. Believe me, your curiosity is going to make your path much easier, because at some point of the time you will require this knowledge and you are going to make use of it. Another great tip is to always be open to learning. Don't ever be under the impression that you have learned enough about a topic, because there is always room for improvement and there is always something you can learn more. It's a continuous process, so keep relearning and reviewing. So, those were some tips that will help you smoothen your journey as a coder or a developer. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope they were helpful. I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye.